how many people are you actually reaching with your ads? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. So when you're targeting, for instance, the whole of the US, you're not actually gonna reach the whole of the US unless you're having extremely large budget. I don't even think that's possible anyway. But the way it works is also that Facebook is narrowing down the people that it shows the ads to, because it wants to give you what you're asking for. If you're asking for leads, it's going to try to find people who will actually become leads. And that's not going to be the whole of the US. Or if you want people who is going to purchase. And it can tell from the ad creative, so the video, the picture, what your ad is about, what product it is, and also from the written text, the headline and the description. So it knows what the product is, and it's going to find people that it knows is interested in this thing that you have. So that's not going to be everybody, of course. So even though you're targeting a very large audience, not everybody's going to see it. And that's why you can also experience ad fatigue, which is when your ad starts to work. It's not working too good anymore, because the people that are seeing it, they already saw it several times probably, and they are not interested, or it's starting to reach people who are outside of that interest group, who are not really that interested, who are less and less interested. When you run an ad for a long time, then Facebook is going to continue to find people who are most interested in the thing that you're selling, or that you want the leads for. So it starts with the people who are the most interested, and then it goes to people who are a little bit less interested, and then a little bit less, and a little bit less, and so it trickles down. So at some point it's going to reach people who are very little interested, and that's when it helps to change out the ad creative, because then it's reaching a new set of people who are interested in this kind of picture or this kind of video. So when your ad your ad performance starts to decline, then always try to put in a new video or a new picture. That's always a good thing to try. So I hope this makes sense. Comment below if you have any questions. Give me a like if you like it. Subscribe for more, and share with someone who might find it useful also. And if you're a coach or consultant and you're looking for clients, then we specialize in getting clients for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me to learn more about it. Right now we have an offer where you only pay us when you get a paying client. We're not going to have this offer forever, so book a call with me to learn more about it. Also, we have some free resources in the description. There's a free Facebook ad template that you can follow if you want to run your own Facebook ads as a coach or consultant. There's also a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches and Consultants. Go ahead and download that for free, and also join our free Facebook group, where you can get more tips and tricks from me and other advertisers. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.